welcome back to my channel. It's Cerisekelsey, and today's video we have this giant box of stuff that I got from beautylish. This is my unboxing of the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar collection. I'm super freaking excited because I have a bunch of stuff in here. Now I have dived into the Blood Sugar mini palette because I got that. That's what I'm wearing on my eyes. So pretty. Review coming soon. Just filmed that. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff in here. So why don't we pull it all out at once? So we have the Blood Sugar mini palette. Now this is a super cute palette. It's so adorable, look at it! And dun, 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 that is it there. Oh my gosh. She is adorable. Now you guys know I am going to be doing reviews on all of these things, don't you worry. I just wanted to unbox and give you guys a little teaser on what is to come. So we have the Blood Sugar mini. Then we have this. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I want to open this. This is the Blood Sugar, the white one. As soon as you see collector's item, I was like, I'm there, sweetie. I'm there. I'm ready. Like, this is just so cute, so beautiful. I'm like, oh my god, look at the clasps. Because this is the original one. Look, oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so pretty with that white. That's so stunning. I literally am gonna put that away because I do not want to even stain that box. But I wanted to open that up for you because I had to get it. He's a collector's item and I was like, honey, that's me. I'm the collector. That's me. And then, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. This is the highlighting palette. The highlighter palette, honey, I am here. I am ready. I saw this and I was like, please bring back Peppermint Frost. That's all I want. I want the Peppermint Frost palette so bad. And they didn't have it, but we have the Cavity eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. It's so cute with a little tooth and the skin frost. Like, oh my gosh, this packaging is adorable. It's so cute. It's so cute. I just, in-depth reviews will be coming, guys, but this is a lot of stuff to do videos. I worked out with all this stuff, it's going to be at least like 23, 25 videos. So they will come too slow. That's why I was like, I need to do an unboxing of this stuff so you guys can see what I got, so you guys know what's coming. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want the most, and I'll try and work on those videos first because, bitch, this is gonna be freaking overwhelming. So anyway, this is the Cavity palette. Okay, so kind of like first impressions, he should have had this as the packaging because that would have been like iconic instead of just like the pictures of himself. I know, girl, you want pictures of yourself, but like, come on. For people that, like, I support the products and everything like that, but people that wouldn't support the products or wouldn't support the person behind the products, they might be upset with having the face on there. Do you know what I mean? But at the same time, it's his own stuff. He's allowed to do what he wants. But I just think that this is much cuter packaging than this kind of light purple packaging. Like purpley pink? Purpley pink? What do you guys think? Let me know. But this is, oh my god, what it looks like here. Oh my god, it's so fucking cute. I love it. None of these colors are going to look amazing on my body, but I just thought it was really cute. It reminded me of nail polish and ice cream. I was like, I need this. I'm not going to swatch any of these because this is an unboxing. It's not a try on haul or anything like that. So that is that one there. And then last but not least, you guys know I have never gotten one of the vaults before. These vaults are so freaking expensive. But when he said in here there was new shades and 16 of them were new, bitch, I had to have it. You guys know I had to have this, and honestly I do not regret this because this is so cute. This is the first time I've actually held it because I opened the box obviously to get the mini Blood Sugar out, but I'm like, this is just, oh my god. That's iridescent. I can't. That's iridescent. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, look at the colors. Oh my god, there's so many new colors. Oh my gosh, there's literally, this is overwhelming. Oh my god. The packaging itself though, this box, I really liked. I've still kept all of my boxes, but I really like the box for, I think it was one of the collections and it was really nice and sturdy, but this vault, this is a showstopper. This is so stunning. I literally am like, it's so sturdy, like, it's heavy. Like, this must at least be like a kilo. It is very heavy. Oh my gosh, this is so iconic and pretty. Yes, I'll be doing individual like lip swatches of these. Might do an overall video of this, I don't know, to kind of do or swatches of the whole thing to kind of see if we like it, but see if it's worth it. But I will be doing individuals of all of these for you guys. but I got this too. So yeah, that was everything I got. Very expensive. But I had to do it because I don't do anything else apart from buy makeup shit. Oh my gosh. So I had to do it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing these. What are you most excited for me to do a review on? Is it one of the lip shades? Is it one of the palettes? I might do a review on this just to go real in depth with it, to kind of see if it's worth it or not, with like comparisons to the old one. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys want, and I better get on to the next video of filming to get these done for you. But let me know in the comments down below what you're most excited to see, and maybe that video will be up next. So until next time, until soon, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!